You telling me that you built a time machine out of a DeLorean?
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl KB, and welcome to my channel, y'all. Since you are here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. So in today's little video, just gonna be a quick 10-minute video probably. So I just want to start something on my channel called Car Talks, Car Chats, or whatever. So I'll just be coming on here talking about certain TV shows that I'm watching, certain topics, things that I want to work on, things that other people are interested in, that kind of stuff. So for example, for today, I just want to get in here and talk about The Bachelor real quick, y'all. Oh my gosh. So I said in my one video, I've been watching Bachelor. This is the first ever that a black guy has been on The Bachelor. His name is Matt James. And like I said, I'm all for love. I'm all for people finding love, no matter who you are, what you do, how you do it. But like I said, at the end of the day, I know Matt is going to pick a white girl. And I have no problem with that. But I do have a problem with that, because since Matt being the first black bachelor ever, I feel like he needs to put us all the way on. So go ahead and skip, so you can go ahead and date the little, kiss up on these little white girls all you want to. But if you are not picking a black girl, Matt, at the end of this show, I'm going to be gobsmacked, okay? You know what I mean? So, and it's just crazy. And I'm not too fond of any of the girls on the show. I do like the girl from North Carolina. I think her name was Kyla or Kayla or something like that, with the H. It's a black girl. I forgot the other girl name. She was wearing a ponytail on episode 3 last night. Real tan-ish, I think her dad is black. Her mom is white. I'm not even sure. I just know she's pretty. But everybody else, like Victoria, she has to go. I'm not fond of Victoria. She's out of pocket. She's out of whack. She's just not it. Another thing, anybody that is under the age of 25 has to go. Matt is 28 years old. Like I said, yeah, y'all have some good stories, y'all have some good lives that y'all been living, whatever the case is. But if it was me, I don't want to go back. I don't want to go down. So I don't want to date nobody younger than me. He's 28 years old. I know Matt has said episode 1 that he didn't want to disappoint or upset the black people, or he didn't want to upset the white people. That's how I know that he's going to be choosing a white girl. I've done my research on Matt James already, y'all. I've done my research, and all his Instagram is nothing but white people. He went to prom with white girls. He did this with the blah, 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 blah. All that. He was not around his black family at all, if you ask me. Didn't even hang out with his cousins. He didn't hang out with none of them. He is full-blown skater boy, white boy. Yes, Matt James. So that's why I feel like I already know that he's going to be choosing a white girl. Now, I'm going to be totally blown if he chooses a black girl. But there ain't that many options on there for him to choose a black girl. Yes, there are so many pretty black girls. Specifically, that one Ethiopian chick who has not had any time with Matt. She has not had any time with Matt at all. And she is absolutely gorgeous. I love her hair. I love the way she speaks. She's confident. She is that shit in a bag of chips, okay? So yeah, I don't know why he's keep pussyfooting around with these little white girls on the show. Go ahead, cut to the chase. Boom, get you a little hello. Like I said, if ABC, NBC, whoever, The Bachelor wanted to keep it all the way official and want to do a first black guy, they should have did Mama Black and Daddy Black. Yes, Mama gotta go too, Daddy gotta go, Che, yes, I'm talking about all of that. But no, they really want to, they really wanted to thin it out this season. Yes, Matt is black, but I don't want to say let's make it, The Bachelor hood version, but at the same time, we ain't got time. Come on now, ABC Bachelor, whatever. But come on now, do not do this to, so Matt, if you do not pick a black girl, I said, I'm all for the love, y'all. I'm all for everybody loving each other, whoever the case is. I got some little white cousins, I got some mixed people in my family, whatever the case is, but come on, Matt, you supposed to be putting this on this year. Come on, do not just go in here and just do that to us, okay? Another thing, the Kit is, her mom is somebody famous. I don't even know who her mom is, but her mom is somebody famous, and she already has a verified check on Instagram. Girl, bye. You're there for clout. You're there for likes. You're there for views. Get to step in. Like, you are not it. You are not the one, girl. And plus, you're 21. You're another one that has to go. So with that being said, like, I just don't know what to expect out of this season. I see a lot of tears. I see a lot of stuff on the little what's coming up next. I'm glad Sarah's gone because she was doing too much at the end right there on episode 3. She should have just, you know, waited her time. She already had her little first date. You know, she just wanted to be pretty. I understand her father's situation. And, you know, for Matt to be like, you know, say, I really want you to be here, whatever. Matt, if you want the girl go, you have several other women that's on those couches right now who got it going on. Let that girl go be with her damn dad, okay? And so she left. Hopefully she just don't come back. You know what I mean? So we don't want her coming back. You already left, and you're 24 years old. You're not it. You're not the one. So, and there's another one. Her name is Myra. I think her name is Myra. She has a long dark hair. She looks like a Kardashian. She is really pretty. That's the only one. That's the only one I'll let slide. Other than that, they need a do-over. They need some girls from New York. They need some girls from Florida. They need some girls from Houston up on there. I mean, some black girls. I mean, cut the chase, y'all. Like I said, NBC and whatever the network is, y'all need to do it better next time, because Rachel, her ass blew it last time by picking a damn white guy. Come on now, Rachel. The last man that you had, it was a white dude and a black dude. The black dude had it going on. I mean, just absolutely just astonishing in my eyes. But no, she went on and picked a white dude. Like, I mean, I love everybody. I'm here for it all. Do not judge me or whatever. But that's just how I feel. I'm all for, you know, all for the love. But I am just really, I just don't know how to feel about this season. Like, sometimes I catch myself rolling my eyes, like just dying to get to the next part or whatever. But it's just absolutely crazy season. So if y'all are out there, go watch The Bachelor. It comes on every Monday at 8 o'clock. It's a 2-hour episode every time so far. It's really good. Matt James is the first black bachelor, male black bachelor ever. And he's supposed to be putting us copper tone, us bronze people on the map, man. He's supposed to be doing it for us. But if he not, then I'm definitely have to have a word with him. And I already tweeted him. I tweeted at Matt James and I said, bro, we need to talk. Like, you could go ahead and kiss up on these girls, take them on these dates all you want to, but I'm just gonna, Matt, don't do me like that, okay? Even Wendy Williams said that he was gonna pick a white girl. Wendy said it, and y'all know Wendy, she be on her shit. So, yes, but I have to go back into work. This will be it for my little car talks, my first one for y'all. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button for me. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching this little video of mine, and then I will see y'all in the next one. Be on it too. Get me to 300 subscribers, y'all. I'm trying to hit that 300 mark. Next is gonna be 400, 500, 600, 1,000. Wow, you know what I mean? So do that for me, and yes. And by the way, a Red Bull tastes so much better in a straw. Yes, Jeffree Star be doing it. So I said, fuck it, let me try it. And it's been a year later, and I've been drinking my Red Bulls out of straw. Get you some. Adios, people.